Student, today topic of speaking is describe someone or something that made a lot of noise. You should say who or what made the noise. What was the noise like? What did you do when you heard the noise and how you feel about it? You should have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. The model answer is I think there is lot of noise in India. It is in fact hard to find a quiet place. So, I am going to talk about an occasion when my nephew made a lot of noise. He is just 5 years old, but he is very fond of bursting crackers. During last Diwali, he went shopping for crackers with my dad and he bought him a lot of crackers. After visiting the temple Gurdwara, when we came back home, he went to the terrace and for the next 1 hour we could hear nothing but the sound of crackers. He burst so many crackers, the, the noise was deafening and all the family members could not wait for him to stop. I can't imagine how my dad tolerated the noise as he was with him outside on the terrace. Rest of us were inside the house and for us the inside the house noise the intolerable. I tried to distract myself but the noise was too much. I did not want to spoil my nephew's mood by telling him to stop either. So, after waiting for half an hour for him to stop, I decided to put on my noise cancelling headphones and watch a movie. My sister had gifted them to me a year ago. That was the day I actually tested the noise cancelling part. It was amazing. I could not hear nothing except the noise in the movie. My other family members were not so lucky and they had to tolerate the noise. My dad also decided that day and there would be no crackers for next Diwali. Crackers not only create noise pollution but they are also harmful for the environment. Student, next there are follow-up questions. The first is where can people hear a lot of noise? People can hear a lot of noise at public places like bus station, railway station, malls and so on. Moreover, in the big city there is a lot of noise on the road during traffic because of honking. In India, religious places also use loudspeakers and thus there is a lot of noise there. The next question is what may happen when someone listens to very loud music using headphones when they are running or hiking? I think in the long term it might cause permanent damage to ears. Moreover, It may also lead to accident as people while running might not hear car horns due to loud music. So, I would not consider it to be safe to put on loud music in public places. The next follow up question is, what can be done to reduce traffic noise? I think governments can make strict rules about honking and unnecessary unnecessary honking should be considered a traffic violation. Also, car engines start making noise after a few years, so people should be encouraged to replace car engines after a few years. The next question is, do you think the world will be noisier in the future? On the contrary, I think world would be quieter because people are becoming less social than before. I think noise is mainly made in social situation. Thanks. This is a topic of speaking.